Hello children, today I will solve one problem of linear equations in two variables asked by one of my students. The problem is 6 men and 10 women can finish making pots in 8 days, while 4 men and 6 women can finish it in 12 days. Find the time taken by one man alone from that of one woman alone to finish the work. Children, in this kind of question, first of all we have to assume x and y. So in first step I will assume let a man finish a work in x days and a woman finish our work in y days. After this case 1, 6 men and 10 women means दोनों मिलकर can finish the work. अगर 6 men and 10 women मिल जाते हैं तो वो दोनों मिलकर एक वर्क को कंप्लीट करते हैं 8 days में. Now according to question children, वन मैन फिनिश द वर्क इन x days. एक मैन अकेला अगर काम करता है तो वो एक काम को कंप्लीट करता है x days में. Again, this is a problem of time and work. In these kind of questions of time and work, I explained you in my last video, we have to find 1 day's work. 1 day's work or 1 hour's work of the persons mentioned in the question. Here, one man's 1 day's work will be 1 by x. For example, if you complete a maths notebook, whole notebook in 10 days, in 1 day you will finish 1 by 10 notebook. So your 1 day's work will be 1 by 10. In the same way, a man finish the work in x days. उसको एक मैन को एक काम करने के लिए x days लगते हैं, तो एक दिन में वो कितना काम करेगा 1 by x. बट हियर वी हैव 6 men, so 6 men's 1 day's work will be 6 by x. Similarly, 1 woman finish the work in y days. Now I will find 1 woman's 1 day's work. एक दिन में 1 woman कितना काम करेगी 1 by y. But here we have 10 women, so 10 women's 1 day's work will be 10 by y. After this children, according to question, 6 men plus 10 women's 1 day's work. एक दिन में दोनों मिलकर कितना काम करेंगे 6 men करेंगे एक दिन में 6 by x work plus 10 women करेंगी 10 by y work and both of them finish the work in 8 days. सारे मिलकर 6 men and 10 women मिलकर एक काम को फिनिश करते हैं 8 days में. तो एक दिन में वो कितना काम करेंगे 1 by 8. I have explained this in the box because 6 men plus 10 women finish work in 8 days. So 6 men plus 10 women can finish in 1 day. एक दिन में कितना काम करेंगे 1 by 8 work. This is our equation number 1. Similarly, children, in case 2, we shall frame equation number 2. Case 2, step 2, 4 men. It is given in the question, 4 men and 6 women can finish the work in 12 days. I will frame second equation in the same way I framed equation number 1. 4 men will do in 1 day 4 by x work plus 6 women will do in 1 day 6 by y work, and working together 4 men and 6 women can finish the work in 12 days. In 1 day all of them will finish 1 by 12 work. So this is our equation number 2, 4 by x plus 6 by y equal to 1 by 12. After this children, we shall solve both the equations by using any method, substitution, cross multiplication or elimination, but I am using here elimination method. I will assume let 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. So equation 1 will become, we shall write it in expanded form. 6 by x means 6 into 1 by x plus 10 by y means 10 into 1 by y equal to 1 by 8. Now I will replace 1 by x by u. I will get 6u plus 10 into 1 by y will be replaced by v. So I will get 10v is equal to 1 by 8. This is our new equation number 3. In the same way, equation second will be changed into new equation number 4. 4 upon x means 4u plus 6 upon y means 6v is equal to 1 by 12. After this, children, to eliminate either u or v, I will multiply equation 3 by 6 and equation 4 by 10 so that coefficient of v will be same in both the equations. So I will write the statement multiplying equation 3 by 6 and equation 4 by 10 and subtracting both the equation. So if I'm multiplying equation 3 by 6, I will have to multiply each and every member of equation 3 by 6. So 6 into 6u will be 36u plus 6 into 10v will be 60v equal to 6 into 1 by 8 will be 6 by 8. So both of them will be cancelled. I will get, instead of 6 by 8, I will get 3 by 4. Now I will multiply equation 4 by 10. 10 into 4u will be 40u plus 10 into 6v will be 60v is equal to 10 into 1 by 12 will be 10 by 12. 10 upon 12 will be cancelled and I will get 5 by 6. Now I will have to subtract both the equations. Why? Because plus 60 in both the equations can be cancelled, but if I change the signs of the second equation, so I will have to change the signs of second equation. That's why I will write subtracting both the equations. Now I will change the signs of each and every term of equation number 4. Plus 40u will become minus 40u plus 60v is positive, it will become minus 60v equal to 5 by 6 is positive in the second equation will become minus 5 by 6. Now I will solve. Plus 36u minus 40u will be minus 4u because according to integers plus minus minus and sign is of greater number. Plus 60v and minus 60v in both the equations will be cancelled equal to 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6. We have to solve it. After finding the LCM, I will get minus 1 by 12. So I will get minus 4u equal to minus 1 by 12 on right hand side. Minus sign we have on both the sides, so it will be cancelled. I am left with 4u is equal to 1 by 12. After this, children, I am to find the value of u. So 4 from left hand side will be shifted to right hand side and it would be converted into division after shifting it to right hand side, or we can take the reciprocal of 4, that will be 1 by 4. So I will get u is equal to 1 upon 12 into 4. Answer will be 1 by 48. So value of u is 1 by 48. Now children, in step 4, I will put the value of u is equal to 1 by 48 in equation number 3 or in equation number 4. I am putting here in equation number 3. Equation 3 is 6u plus 10v is equal to 1 by 8. I would replace u by 1 by 48 in next step plus 10v is equal to 1 by 8. 6 and 48 will be cancelled and I will get 1 by 8 plus 10v is equal to 1 by 8. In the next step, 1 by 8 will be shifted to right hand side and converted into negative 1 by 8. I will get in the next step 10v is equal to 0 and 10 will be shifted to right hand side, and after shifting it would be converted into division. So 0 upon 10 will be 0. So value of v is 0. Now children, in next step I have found both the values. U is equal to 1 by 48 and v is equal to 0. But I need to find the values of x and y. So I will replace u by 1 by x. I would write 1 by x equal to u, because in the starting we assumed that let 1 by x equal to u. 1 by x in the next step as it is, and u will be replaced by its value, that is 1 by 48. Taking reciprocal of both the sides, I will get 1 by x will be x upon 1. No need to write 1 in the denominator, so it will be x equal to 1 by 48 का reciprocal क्या होता है 48 by 1. नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में 1 लिखने की नो रिक्वायरमेंट, सो x की वैल्यू वी विल गेट 48. Now we shall find the value of y. V is equal to 0. So we assumed v is equal to 1 by y. 1 by y as it is, and value of v is 0. So y की value पे क्या आ जाएगी 0. So we shall write the statement. Therefore work done by one man from that of one woman is 48 days. Means one man finish the work in 48 days and one woman finish the work in 0 days. I think there is some mistake in the question, because work of woman cannot be 0. But if you get this question in the examination, you will have to solve in the same way as I solved the question. Thank you.